everyone, it's Lisa and it is Sunday night and I'm going to do an off-the-cuff impromptu haul video because a lot of this stuff I need to use. I'm getting ready to get in the shower and Brooke's coming home. I've got two cameras here. I need to make sure I look at the right one. Anyway, I need to use some of this stuff, so I thought I would just show you what I got and then go over a little bit of what I've been talking about as far as the new year and things that I want to focus on. So one of the things that, or the biggest thing that I want to focus on is organization. And I don't mean, I'm not somebody who wants, I don't know, to me organization is mostly like getting rid of things that you don't use. I'm not someone who wants a bunch of like little compartments, or I don't know, it's hard to describe. I don't want a bunch of drawers of a whole bunch of stuff. I want just what I want, and I want everything cleaned out. And if you've been with me, you know, a couple years ago I went through my clothes and got rid of a bunch of my clothes, went through my closets, and they have gotten just so packed with stuff again that I'm probably not using. So that is something that I'm going to do soon, is go through my drawers, and I'm in the process of redoing my room up here. Things I want to do. This desk. I have looked at other desks and there's just none really compared to this one. It's an old, it's not that old. I bought it when I redid this room, but it looks old. It's a beat up, just writing desk, but it's really big. It has two drawers. I like it, and so I want to paint it white. And then I also want to paint all of my room white. I have this blue accent wall, but I'm ready for it just to be white. And I think I might want to do like some molding or something on it. So that's what I've got going on up here. I have ordered a lot of like clear drawers and stuff to put some of my extra makeup in because I have no organization in my makeup. I tried, but it failed. And so what I want to do is get it where if someone tells me I like the, you know, Lancome Absolute powder with the so-and-so foundation, well, in my head I'll know that I have both of those, but I won't know where in the heck they are because I have so many like baskets of makeup that I use, but you know, I don't know where it is. So that is like my big thing for this year. And then another is not to, you know, we all say, oh, we're going to get in shape. But you guys know I've been battling kind of like a tummy issue for the past year. And I want to do a separate video on that because a lot of things have happened since I talked to you about that first. I've done a lot of things to make it better. And so, you know, kind of focusing on that. And I have gone way off the rails during Christmas, eating the wrong things, and so I need to get back eating healthy and just things like that. And so I think, you know, the big thing is organization, but what I have discovered is when you make 3 videos a week, which it doesn't sound like very much, but that takes up a lot of my time. So there might be a few weeks when I really get into a project, like they're supposed to come paint my room soon, they're waiting on me to text them back a date, then, you know, that week I might be only able to do 2 videos because I won't be able to be up here, and you guys will understand. So that's something I thought about. You know, a lot of people have people help them edit their videos. I tried that. It didn't work out too good for me because I mean, I could find, you know, with anyone it's going to take going back and forth on the style of editing. So I could have gotten that right. But I don't make my videos way ahead of time. So I was having to get that video to her and then get it back to me. And it was just, I am somebody that does a video and then I might post it that very day or night. I usually do. So that didn't work out for me. So this year I'm just going to have to figure out how to do my time a little bit better because any extra time I get, I usually try to, you know, go have dinner with my family, go spend it with Brooke, spend it with Will, you know, stuff like that. So there might be a few little changes here or there that I'm trying to work out. And so I would say the biggest thing is organization, and any tips you have I would love, but once I get through up here, I just took, matter of fact, I need to take them off of my website because I was trying to sell some of my like Louboutin shoes that have been worn 2 or 3 times for so cheap, and they didn't sell on my website. So I took all of my shoes to the resale shop. And that is another thing I'm going to try to be better at is, okay, so what if I got it and I never wore it? So what if the tags are still on it? Let it go. You know what I mean? Just make that decision to let it go. I probably need to read that, The Art of Tidying Up or whatever, that book again. Anyway, I'm going to show you. Brooke and I went to Walmart last night. We went to eat dinner, and then we stopped by Walmart and did a good old girl shopping haul. And this video is sponsored by Walmart, so thank you to them for that. And I picked up several things that I wanted to show you guys and ask you guys about and stuff like that. Okay, so the first thing I got is, and I did not get the $1 off. I always do this. I'll grab the one that says it has a coupon and then I don't do it. I know I can probably take it back though. Anyway, I got the Crest 3D White Glamorous White. I tried another one. One of you guys told me another one that you use that you say works better than this, and it probably does because it made my teeth very, very sensitive. So it probably does whiten better than this, but I have to stick with this one. It just made my teeth very sensitive. So I've been out of this and I'm so glad to get it back. Brooke, we smelled all of the dry shampoos. Everybody talks about this Batiste. And I have tried, I think some of them, I've tried some of the colored ones, but anyway, Brooke liked this one. It is the Batiste Dry Shampoo Sweet and Delicious, Sweetie, and it's very cute. That's probably what made her pick it out. And I've got hair and makeup left over from this morning. So it is probably, what time is it now? Tell you how old it is, 7 o'clock now. So my makeup is from, I think 10 o'clock this morning. Okay, this is the Olly brand, you know, supplements or vitamins. We have tried the Olly Sleep, like melatonin before, and we love those. So we got the Perfect Women's Multivitamin, a multitasking blend of vitamins A, C, D, B's, biotin, and folic acid. And Brooke and I both are going to take these. Brooke is all into this stuff and I'm trying to get better. And then we got some Glow Habit Sleep Well Habit dietary supplement. This helps support skin hydration and restful sleep. It's got melatonin, but it's also got bamboo extract and sea buckthorn, 60 vegan gummies. And who would have thought that a gummy would make something so much more appealing, but it is. I have really enjoyed taking things as gummies. So we got both of these to start taking. And then Brooke picked this out. It was the e.l.f. Matte Oil Control Primer with kaolin clay and tea tree. So that is something that she wanted to try. And then we got all kinds of crazy stuff in here. Okay, oh, this is something that so many of you have talked about, and I have been wanting to try this. It's been on so many people's favorites, and it is, I got the Eco Tools, and it's called I Need a Mini Facial, and I'm going to put these in the refrigerator, but it is the Jade Roller, and I think that's called a Gua Sha. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, the Jade Roller and Gua Sha Stone Mini Facial Kit is made with 100% jade and designed to help reduce puffiness and smooth skin. I mean, so many people have said so many good things. I thought it was just a gimmick. Brooke has a pink one and she has been using it forever, but I really want to try it like on my jawline, and I just want to see. I think I saw one of the Victoria's Secret models that has a channel. She was saying how much she loved this, so I'm excited about this. I'm going to go ahead and put that in the refrigerator. Okay, and then we got this Freeman Micro Darts Pro Hyaluronic Acid and Amino Acid. Okay, these are eye masks made in Korea. Whenever we're shopping together, this is what we end up doing, is trying all kinds of crazy stuff. And then these, I thought these were so cool. I have always been a sucker for like decorative Ziploc bags, and these were over in the like travel makeup section. And I like using stuff like this when I travel, but they're from Ziploc and they're called Contain the Clutter, Flip to See all 5 designs, but they have designs on them. Oh wow, I didn't even know that. So one has the lip design, and a lot of times, you know, you guys have seen where I just put like a lip combo in a small one in my purse, and this would be something good for you to put in your car too. So it has an expandable bottom, reusable accessory bags. Okay, then it's dry skin season, even though it has not really been that cold here. Plus I have upped my Retin-A and all of that stuff. Another thing I want to do this year is I want to get an IPL. I have so much, it's gotten to the point where when I really examine my skin, it's not really as much discoloration as it is redness, like in my cheeks. That is one of the reasons I usually end up wanting a heavier coverage foundation. So I think I am going to call tomorrow. We get back on track tomorrow. Will goes to school, John goes to work, and I get back in my routine. I think I'm going to call tomorrow and try to get an appointment for either an IPL or whatever they think I need. The new place that I go to, they also have like that blue light, or I think that's what it's called, but whatever it is that targets redness and, you know, like blood vessels. I think I want to do that. And so anyway, see, I told you this might be like a half and half video, kind of like a vloggy haul. Okay, so I've been wanting to try this. So many of you like this Hydra Boost Water Gel, dermatologist recommended, with hyaluronic acid. So I guess the big thing for me is the hyaluronic acid. It boosts hydration for smooth, supple skin all day. So I wanted to try that and see what I thought about this. Okay, this is the one that Brooke picked out. I picked out the mask for under your eyes, but Brooke picked out this one, which is the Micro Darts Pro Freeman 2 Fine Line Patches. Like Brooke really has fine lines, but it looks like this one is for right here. She loves doing masks. She does them more than I do. I really like the eye masks. They're my favorite. And so this is hers. And then, I grabbed another thing of, like, these are Swispers, but last time I grabbed those ones that have a kind of a decorative bar, you know, stick part, and they're brown and they looked kind of leopardy or something, but when I put them in my thing, the cotton part got real fuzzy, and they've just been horrible to use for what I want them to like clean up or go around my lips or anything, because they've come undone. So I grabbed these, which have the cosmetic applicator, the nail swabs, and the contrast swabs. I'm not sure what that contrast swab, unique color, makes it easier to see lighter cosmetics. Perfect for makeup correction. I don't know. I just thought they looked interesting, so I grabbed them. Okay, Brooke picked this up. It is the new Real Techniques by Sam and Nick. Easy as 1, 2, 3 highlighter brush. It looks like a new series. This I picked up. I'm out of my Vaseline, and I thought I would try something different just because if I don't like it as good, I'll just go back. But this is my mom and dad's favorite. The Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion nourishes dry skin. And I'm gonna undo it right now. Okay, feels a little bit thicker, not too bad. Okay, it does kind of, I like it when they're not too thick, and you can really, because I put lotion on of course every time I get out of the shower, but even every day too, so I don't like it to be too, nope, it's not greasy at all. Huh, that's good. Okay, so it's just the regular Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion. Okay, Brooke and I both got a set of these for our lips. We got the My Collagen Hydrogel Lip Patches. We'll see how they go. Let's see. Smooth away lip lines, dry, cracked lips in 10 to 15 minutes with the nourishing and moisturizing benefits of super berries. My Collagen Hydrogel Lip Patches infused with a special blend of collagen, nutrient-rich fruit and plant extracts to soothe plump lips with moisture. It says remove hydrogel lip patch from package and apply to clean lips. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Then remove, patting remaining excess with fingertips to improve absorption. So we will see how these go. I'll probably use mine like before a video. I'll save it. Okay, this is something that I grabbed. I have never tried anything in this line, but I wanted some type of serum to use with the gua sha tool and the rolling tool and all that stuff. Oh goodness. And so I grabbed this, which is the L'Oreal Paris Fragrance Free Revitalift 10% Pure Glycolic Acid Serum. I was kind of surprised to see. I feel like that's kind of high. So I grabbed it to see if it would, like even today, I still have that like lacy skin that I need to get off. And so we'll see how it goes here. And alpha hydroxy acid recognized by dermatologists, aloe in it. Visible results immediately. Skin is deeply clarified to reveal new skin. In 1 week, skin is resurfaced, appeared visibly smoother. In 2 weeks, dark spots are visibly improved. In 4 weeks, fine lines. Okay, I'm probably not expecting all of that. I just want it to help me get some of that exfoliating skin off, and I want it to be a serum that I can use with that gua sha and all that kind of stuff. Okay, then we saw this and thought it might be something good. It is the Physicians Formula Organic Wear Sculpting Bronzer Stick. And we got the darker color of the two, so it's mocha. So I will use this and let you know how it goes. Then we picked this out. It is the Physicians Formula Organic Wear Tinted Lip Treatment with Butter Blend. And I think we got some kind of tawny nude. And we thought it might be a good one. It is just supposed to be just like a lip conditioner, tinted lip conditioner. Ooh, that is pretty. It's got a lot of color just to be a lip conditioner. Yeah, good. Okay, and then we got some Cetaphil wipes. Ever since my dermatologist was praising Cetaphil and what's the other one? Cetaphil and, oh, I can't remember the other one right now. But I've been thinking I'm going to try to go back to those a little bit. But I like to have wipes up here like this because sometimes when I'm doing my editing or I'm up here at night working or whatever, I like to go ahead and take my makeup off. So I got those. And let's see. Oh gosh, this is something Brooke got. It is the Love and Nature Hey Sugar Concentrated Perfume Roller Ball. This one, we smelled all of them, and this one did smell good. It smelled kind of like, is this? Yeah, okay, this isn't the one I was thinking of. There was another one that we smelled that smelled kind of like men's fragrance, but she ended up not liking it and wanted to get this one. So, this smells just like, it smells like almost everything I've been getting lately with that like gourmand scent, concentrated perfume roller ball. I don't know if this says what it's supposed to smell like. Made with natural essential oils. That figures. Okay, made with natural essential oils, skin-loving coconut oil, sustainably sourced, renewable ingredients because we love you and the environment. This playful blend of juicy fruits and citrus is perfect for anyone feeling extra sweet. Okay, that must have been why Brooke wanted to get one of these, because she's cruelty-free. But it does smell really good. It smells, there's a little bit more to it than just sweet. Okay, and then the last thing we got is the Olay Scrubs 5-in-1 Clean Pore Perfecting Vitamin C and Dragon Fruit. And that is another thing I was thinking is, I was thinking maybe if I got a laser done on my face, maybe it would help me. I don't really have huge pores like right in here, but I do have them on the sides of my nose, and I thought maybe I would target that too. But I've enjoyed in the mornings doing some type of face scrub, like right when I'm washing my face, and just scrubbing my face real good before I put on makeup. So I thought this might be good. I've never tried it, but it looked like something good and fun to try. So that is it. I hope that you enjoyed seeing what we got. It was a good time. Matter of fact, we drove separate, and then Brooke ended up going over to her boyfriend's house after, and she texted me that she had a good time with me at Walmart. So now I'm gonna go back downstairs and jump in the shower and get ready for a new week, and I will hopefully see you guys back here tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Thank you for everything, and I'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.